Yo, what is up, Learning Machines? So, this is 10 million adult marketing USA leads. Okay, how did I get these leads? Is the question, right? Over the past few months, I've been promoting on YouTube ads for other lists and demographics and niches, but very broad. But for this, I've been promoting on adult networks and collecting tons of leads for very cheap. And I've also bought up big databases of emails as well. Okay. So percentage of this, I'd say like 20% is from my own paid marketing. And then the rest is also bought up leads from different businesses and companies and marketers. Okay, so this is refined right here. This is powerful stuff. As you know, adult marketing's one of the biggest industries in the world, sadly, right? But there's a ton of money in it. A ton of money, okay? So if you know what crack revenue is, it's a CPA network you can promote on like a ton of offers, and there's way more adult offers out there. Now, these are people from adult sites, adult memberships, and everything like that. These are leads from that. And so you could promote to these leads congruent offers that are adult related, and you can crush it. Okay. For $500, that is nothing, guys, compared to how much it's cost me to get this many leads. Okay. It's cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars to get this many leads, and you're only paying $500. And I figure we might as well give you guys value, because over time I've given you guys a bunch of knowledge, strategies, and everything, but doing it yourself is very hard, and I know it is, okay? Because you get paid in proportion to difficulty problems you solve, and trust me, this stuff's difficult. It's not easy to accomplish this sort of stuff, like collecting massive email lists, okay? It's not easy, but it's worth it. And so I've been able to skip that step for you, is my point. Like, by far. Now, I don't need your money, like at all. The only reason I'm doing this is to give you guys extra value, and I can make just a little bit extra money off how much I'm spending. Like, I'm spending a lot of money. My goal here is obviously the more people who buy these email lists, the better. And it doesn't affect anything. Like, people get thousands and thousands and thousands of marketing messages per day, so it makes no difference. The more people we have promoting to people different offers, especially if they're good offers that they expect and want, it doesn't matter. And that's the powerful thing here. And an email, like I've said, is the closest thing to making money. It's an asset. So per month, per email, you can make like on average, a few cents to a dollar or more per email that's in your list. Now, this does depend on the niche that you're in, and the adult marketing niche, it can be a little less than a dollar per email that you have, but that is money, bro. Just promote to your email list every day. You're going to make racks. Just promote different offers, test stuff, and promote. Now, don't forget the fact that it's basically free. The thing is with paid ads cost money to promote to, like a lot of money in comparison to emails. So you're buying an asset here of 10 million, 10 million email leads. That's a big deal. That's a lot of people. You can market to this for many years just from paying $500. That's nothing. There's no risk to you here, because you literally have an asset now you can sell to basically forever, it'll feel like. And then you can reinvest, and it's basically nothing. At that point, you're very profitable. But no guarantees here, obviously. But this is a big opportunity for everyone involved. I think I said it in another video, but like, I am going to take this stuff down eventually, most likely. Just because I can promote to this stuff just myself and make racks. But I'm not that selfish, okay? I really want to also give, but in exchange for a fair enough price where I feel like people will also take advantage of the opportunity I'm giving them, okay? Because most people cannot pay hundreds and thousands of dollars like I have for 10 million email leads. Okay, that's expensive for most people, right? Now, if everyone had the money, it's not expensive because they would do it. But I've been able to do this, and that's just for this list alone, guys. These lists alone, okay? In fact, I even threw in bonuses, by the way, for you. So you get even extra leads. All these leads are valuable. All these leads are like, it's a big opportunity. I don't know how else to say it, but like, a lot of you guys follow me also for the adult marketing niche. And I know that people will respond to the fact me making this video right now makes me understand, like, me showing this to y'all. I feel like y'all are gonna like respond big to this list, because it's adult marketing related, and that's most of my top videos are adult marketing related. So I feel like more people care about this, because right now for a few hours I'm just making a few videos talking about email marketing here and what I'm doing and the offer I have for you and the offers I have for you guys here. And I'm telling you right now, adult marketing is going to be a big hit for y'all. It always has been for me. Sweepstake marketing's made me the most money, I think, over time, most consistently too. But adult marketing's made me a lot of money, and YouTube's made me a lot of money. But anyway, the ability to market to a list. There's nothing closer to printing money on demand other than printing real money in a bank or something. This is like crazy because you can just like send an email out to people and make racks and make money. So anyway, just wanted to talk about this offer for y'all. This is what you're getting when you opt in inside. It's literally a no-brainer. Like I said, I should be charging way more. You can promote to this list every single day and make money. And to make back just $500, you could do that very fast. It's like no big deal. It can be within the first email basically that you promote to. Now, what I do recommend for people is try not to spam your list just promoting offers. Try to like give value to people so they stick with you. You know, that's very, very powerful because it actually can increase your opt-in rates and people coming back and people being more open to converting on the offers which you're promoting to them. So it's very, very powerful. So your first emails should to these lists that I have here for you of millions of emails. You can basically give content to people. It could be adult content related, but like entertaining and just giving value in general. Try not to link to too explicit stuff. Okay, not too explicit for this sort of thing because you're sending people from email platforms, which you don't want to get in trouble for sending them to adult related stuff. That's why you want to have landing pages in between. But anyway, we could talk more about that inside of the Money Accelerator. I'm going to be adding more programs inside the Money Accelerator, giving value to y'all inside of there. So that's where the very, very powerful training is for most of what I talk about. It's inside the Money Accelerator. But this right here, these are straight up assets. Very, very powerful money making assets for you because that's what leads and emails are. So there you go. Hopefully you see the value in this, and I will see you on the other side. Peace out, Learn Machines. Peace.